How to fix Instagram add to story problem. So hello guys, if you have any problem with the mention on Instagram, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. All what you want to do guys is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Instagram app like this and click on the data usage. Scroll. This is the network access to Instagram. Make sure that the mobile data is enabled and the Wi-Fi and the background data and the roaming data also. So make sure everything is enabled right here. Go back, click on this option to stop running the app, and last thing you want to do is go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And that's it guys. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.